All right, folks, good morning. All right, let's get started here. Let's keep this quick. So for today, April the 24th, we have the following information. For 7:30 a.m., we had unemployment claims, which came in better than came in as expected. Excuse me. Core durable goods orders month over month came in um, softer than expected. Durable goods orders month over month came in better than expected, a lot better. Um, At 9 a.m., we'll have existing home sales, which is a moderately important report. Expectation is 4.14 million. We did get a surprise on new home sales, so we might get a surprise on existing, but we'll see. And then at 4 p.m., we'll have FOMC member Kashkari speaking. Of course, I'll be at market close, so it shouldn't have any significant impact on us. Having said that, let's take a quick look at what was moving yesterday. We did not actually find any valid trade opportunities yesterday that fit our criteria, so that was unfortunate, but it happens from time to time. But taking a look at the QQQ, the NASDAQ ETF, looks like we're going to open slightly higher than where we closed yesterday. And yesterday we gapped up substantially, so it looks like the markets are holding their gains after all, and we'll see how that plays out for the rest of the day. Having said that, let us take a look at which stocks are moving in the pre-market and see if there's anything that would be of interest to us. So we'll keep this really quick here since I'm not at my usual location. So let's just see what we got. All right, so pulling up the list right now. Here's what I see so far. All right, first up is ELAB, ELAB. That is currently up only 2%. It was up a lot more, as you can see on the screen, but not anymore, so we'll have to pass on that. Our next is Briacel, BCTX. That is currently up 58% on 14.3 million shares, at least $1 per share. That fully qualifies for our pre-market watch list, so we'll add that to our radar. Symbol again is BCTX. Oops, actually I spelled it wrong. BCTX. There we go. All right, next up is MBio. All right, so MBio, that is, oh, it's not on the screen yet. That is currently up only, or down 0.71%. Obviously, it was up a lot more, but doesn't qualify any longer, but maybe later it'll go back up or down. We'll see. Next up is AREB. That is presently up 22.15% on 10.2 million shares, roughly. It's at least $1 per share as well. We'll go ahead and add that AREB to the list. Next up is that Palantir? Okay, that wouldn't have moved enough. Let's just see how far it did move. 0.8%, so it hasn't moved enough, so we'll skip that one. LGCB. That is presently up 11.7%, but it's clearly fallen quite a bit from how high it was. But 12.9 million shares traded. It's at least $1 per share, so we can go ahead and add that to our pre-market watch list, LGCB. Next up is, let's see, Tesla's on the list, but I know it hasn't moved enough. Let's see, currently at 0.21%, so not much of a change. And of course, TSLL will only be up about double that, so nothing there. Let's see, INTC currently up 2%. Okay, not enough for us, but that's impressive. Next up is Zena, Z-E-N-A. That is presently up 32%, 15.7 million shares. And of course, it's at least $1 per share. Very active at the moment, but also very choppy. So we'll add that ZENA to our list. Next up is NVIDIA, which I know is not up enough. Let's see how much it is up, 0.77%. Okay, it's not much. Slightly up. Next up is AVTE. That's currently down 1.82%, so not enough movement for that, so we'll have to pass. And last is SRAD, Sport Trader Group, or Sport Radar Group, sorry. Sport Radar Group. That's currently down 2.2%, so not enough, so we'll skip that one. All right, so if you folks see any other stocks that meet all four of the criteria, let me know in the chat. Four criteria are: must be a NASDAQ listed stock trading at least $1 per share in the pre-market session right now. Also, right now, must have achieved at least 1 million shares of volume in the pre-market and at least a 6% price change, which can be either positive or negative. So CEP is mentioned. Okay, let's take a look at that. And that is presently up 9.82%. Yep, 1.9 million shares, at least $1 per share. That fully qualifies, so we'll have that. All right, see anything else, folks? That's all. Okay. All right, so we'll wrap up for today's pre-market pulse, folks. Please be sure to like the video. I see that we have 5 likes, but more than 5 people watching. So please be sure to hit the like button. That greatly helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you get notifications when we produce a new video. And if anyone's watching this video on a replay and you're not familiar with our company, check out fundertrading.com. That is our website. You will see a link in the description to this video. Other than that, for everyone who's part of the coaching program, I'll see you there in about just under 20 minutes, and we'll pick up for today's session, okay? All right, folks, have a great trading day. See you for the next pre-market pulse. Take care.